Hi everyone! So today we're going to be learning about the resource IXL. IXL is a digital tool that teachers use in a variety of ways. Your teacher should be in contact with you to determine how they're going to use it in your grade level. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to log in with a username and password. If you don't have your username and password, just get in contact with your teacher because they have this information and can give it to you. Students may have already used IXL, so they might actually know their username and password and some of the features that IXL has. Today, we're going to be walking through the login process, but there's also going to be a tutorial video teaching you a little bit about the features and functions of IXL. Let's get started. So once you get to the IXL.com page, you'll type in your username and your password. For this demonstration, I'm using a fake account that is basically like a test account. Your students should know their username and password if they've used IXL, and most students have. But if they don't, it's their login information that they use for their Chromebooks. So they should be able to remember it's usually their first and last initial and their class year, and then their password is the password that they use for the Chromebooks. If you don't have this information, again, contact your student's teacher. They have that information. So you click sign in and it'll take you to a kind of introductory page that says recommendations and the different subjects. For me, I assigned this student two skill sets, and it says 6th grade, it says facts and opinions and primary and secondary sources because I teach history, so they're kind of social studies skills that I assigned, but different teachers might assign different skills to specific students, to different classes, or just to kind of practice. But for your students' grade level, there's also recommendations that you can click around and they can use for practice on their own time as well. For the additional features and functions, we're going to watch a short tutorial so that you can kind of understand the different ways that IXL has been very useful for a variety of teachers.
Welcome to IXL. This school year, your child will be using IXL to reinforce what they're learning in the classroom. What is IXL? IXL is a personalized learning program that's designed to meet the unique needs of each learner. On IXL, your child will find the support they need to learn, grow, and build their confidence. They will also be able to access IXL at home. IXL's comprehensive K-12 curriculum is made up of skills that guide students towards mastery in each topic. Let's take a look at an IXL skill. If a concept is brand new for your child, they can learn with an example before diving into the skill. Once they start answering questions, your child will receive positive reinforcement for every correct answer, as well as specific, detailed explanations after each missed problem. These explanations allow students to work through misconceptions right away. When they answer questions correctly, their SMART score increases and questions become more challenging. Answer incorrectly, and the questions get a bit easier to help them build stronger foundational knowledge. The SMART score is designed to meet your child where they are right now and help them grow at their own pace. Wondering how to figure out which skill your child should work on? Assignments from teachers are shown in the top right corner of their recommendations page. If you'd like your child to do some extra skill building at home, their personalized recommendations wall is a great place to explore. It's filled with skills your child is ready to learn next. Want to know how your child is doing on the skills they've practiced? Take a peek at your child's progress by popping over to the IXL Analytics tab to see what they've been working on. IXL also has an in-depth diagnostic tool, which provides a full picture of your child's knowledge. They can step into the diagnostic arena at any time and answer questions to reveal their current knowledge levels. Their diagnostic results generate a personalized action plan of skills to accelerate their progress. One last thing, IXL isn't limited to the computer. IXL has a mobile app that's available on all major devices. The app has dynamic, interactive features, perfect for learning on the go or at home. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Just check out our Help Center or reach out to us at help@ixl.com.